Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to be looking at commonly used tools and features of Revu used for design review workflows, from different markup tools, tracking statuses, and assigning responsibility. We'll show you how to reduce risk and increase communication through your markups. So in design review, we want to make sure that we make clear and concise notes so that we're communicating with our team. And today I just want to show you a couple of tools that are most common for doing that. Next, we're going to go down and let's go to the dimension tool. So this one's important. I'm going to be deliberate about how I introduce this one. This dimension tool is under the markup section. So it's a markup. It's not an actual measurement. So it's not going to give you a distance. But let me show you what it does here. So I can go dimension. And I'm going to snap, let's say, to this grid. Come over here and snap to this one. And it's asking me to type in my note. So it didn't give me a distance, but it's giving me an opportunity to type something in. So this is where I would maybe say 5 feet on center. And I would want that to be verify. So I want somebody in the field to know that I think this is 5 feet on center, but I'd like them to verify that these mullions here are 5 feet on center. So you can put notes in there like that, or put a dimension in there that it should be. Again, that's text that you're typing in. It's not giving you an actual dimension. Well, that's what I have for you today. A little quicker one this time around. I hope you captured some ideas to reduce risk and increase communication during your design review process. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.